Hello all. This is a video series on Python programming language, and this is the first video on that. And in this video we shall see how to install a IDE known as PyCharm in a Linux machine. The same will be can be applied to Windows machine also. And after setting up the PyCharm, we shall write a hello world program in Python. Let us download the PyCharm by going to their site. After downloading the package, just move it to a folder. Now unzip the package. For starting the PyCharm, go to the bin folder. Within that folder, there will be a file named pycharm.sh. Just start the pycharm.sh from your command line. This is the way we will be starting this PyCharm IDE. Now after opening the PyCharm IDE, let us create a project. PyCharm actually make use of the Python virtual environment, and it doesn't use the Python that is installed or comes with the OS. Especially in case of Linux machines, the Python will be coming as default, and the PyCharm won't be using the default Python because it can make issue with the OS if the program goes wrong. So in the PyCharm make use of a virtual environment, and when we create a project, the PyCharm by default creates a virtual environment for you. So we will be using the Python binary from that virtual environment. Let us see how to create the virtual environment. You can see a hidden directory that is known as .venv in that folder. That is the virtual environment that is created by the PyCharm, and the binaries for the Python, that is for interpreter of the Python, will be present in that .venv folder. For running the Python file, the IDE make use of that Python interpreter that is present in the venv, or else you can also from the command line make use of the Python interpreter that is present in the venv. Now let us create our first Python file. We shall discuss on virtual environments for Python in a later video. Let us print to the console using the printf function. Let us run the file using Python executable. You can see the console out, that is hello world. So by now we have created a Python file as well as printed to the console using the Python function. This is a simple program in Python, and in later videos we shall go into the much depth of the Python programming language. Just observe the command line, and you can see that the Python executable is used from the .env folder, and the Python executable of the OS is not used. So in every program for the programming we will be making use of the virtual environment and not the default Python. Okay, then thank you for watching the video.